Hey guys, welcome back to this training module. Now in this video, we are going to talk about a very special strategy where you can apply and promote any affiliate products. Now let's say for example products on ClickBank. Now I believe all of you guys actually heard of ClickBank before. Basically it's just like a marketplace where you can find different products to promote and earn commissions online. So right here you can find different categories of products that you want to promote, and one of the most famous and most profitable niche and category, which is health and fitness. Now when we look into the health and fitness category, as you can see here, now let's say you can find different products, say for example custom keto diet. You could be making average $45 per sale. And let's say for example these another products, Okinawa flat belly tonic. You could be making on average about $126. Now this is actually a very easy way to promote all of these products on complete autopilot. You don't have to spend a single dime on paid ads, and I'll show you how you can get free traffic, free targeted buyers, and getting them to your affiliate offers. And once again, you can apply this on any affiliate offers. And in this video, I'll show you an example using ClickBank and how you can promote that using a very automated strategy and earning passive income every single day. Let's say if we decided to promote custom keto diet, which is a diet plan to help people to lose weight. Now the best way to get targeted traffic right now, the best and the fastest way is through YouTube. Now when we go on to YouTube, you can find different people, different creators, they're putting out videos right here and educating and sharing information about different diet, different ways to lose weight. And by using this strategy, you are getting a lot of targeted traffic because all the people who are searching about this specific information, and when they watch your videos, that means they're super interested about losing weight, about getting healthy. When you promote these products to them, they're super high converting because a lot of them would be interested, and chances are a large portion of them will eventually buy the products through your affiliate links. Now don't worry, because this strategy you don't have to create any of the videos yourself, which means there are no recording, there are no cameras, there are no video editing, there are no graphic designs, there are no complicated techy stuff. And I'll show you how you can use a very automatic way to get done for your videos created, and you can literally publish them on YouTube. Just upload the video and you can start getting free traffic to your affiliate offers. But real quick, I just want to show you some examples of the YouTube videos where you can find related about healthy meals and also diet and weight loss. Now say for example this video, these foods cleans your arteries and can prevent a heart attack. You can literally publish a done for you videos right there on YouTube, and you can leave your affiliate links in your video description. Now once people watch your videos, they can eventually click on the link which is your affiliate links in your video description, and if they eventually make the purchase, you're able to earn the commission. So right now I want to show you a demo video that I just created in literally less than 2 minutes. Just less than 2 minutes I can create the entire video just like this one. Now play it to you right now so that you can see the preview and see exactly how easy it is to create such a professional video with literally just a few clicks of a button. Now as you can see here, this video is super professional, and you can actually create this kind of video using a software where they create the entire done for you video for you, and I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this. Now basically the name of the software is called Vietnamese. Now you can actually click on the link below this video to get a 14 days free trial to this software. In this training video, I'll show you how you can actually use this software to create a lot of done for you videos with literally just a few clicks of a button. Say for example this very professional video about 3 minutes long, I literally create them in less than 2 minutes. And the video that I just showed you just now is as good as all of this video right here on YouTube. Say for example this one, they're getting over 5 million views. This is crazy. And there's just so many people putting up these kind of videos right here on YouTube and getting hundreds and thousands of views, even millions of views. And they don't even show their face on camera. They don't have to record their videos themselves. They simply take advantage of the technology and using a software, for example Vietnamese, and create all of these professional videos in just a few clicks. And once again, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this. Now beneath this video, you'll find a link. When you click on that link, that's going to take you to this page right here on the Vietnamese website. Now from there, you're going to click on this button where it says try it for free. That's going to open up this box right here where you have to put in your name and your email address and click on start your free trial. Now once you have entered your email address, that's going to take you to this page, welcome to your free trial, and they're going to show you a video and explain how it actually works. But basically they want you to go on to your email inbox as you can see here, and you should be able to receive this email. Welcome, here are your Vietnamese access details. Now basically when you click on this button right here, you can get instant access to Vietnamese. You can basically log in into your account using your email address and your password. Now if you can't find your password, you can just click on this to reset your password, and they're gonna send you a reset password email. Just follow the instruction and reset your password, and you can basically log in into your Vietnamese account. Now basically once you log in into your Vietnamese account, that's right there is your dashboard. And as you can see here on the left section, there are a series of steps that you're gonna follow all the way from step 1 until the final step where you can download your video and upload them on YouTube. And I'll show you everything step by step right here in this video. Now on the first step, template. Basically you have to choose a template for your video, and right there on Vietnamese you can see here the different kind of videos that you can create. Now basically if we were to create a YouTube videos, you basically have to choose on this content video category and choose on one of these templates. You can choose any one of these templates right here to create content video. Now personally I would prefer this template, which is viral yellow, as you can see here, and I just click on this template to choose on that, and you should be able to see a preview right here. You can click on play to see a preview of this template. But once again, if you decide to move on, you can just click on this button where it says use this template. Now from that, step number 2, you actually have to put up a script for your video. Now there are 2 things that you have to include into this section. Number 1 is the name of your video. Basically that's the title of your video. Say for example this one, this food clean your arteries and can prevent a heart attack. And we can actually create a video title for our YouTube video. Just type in right there. Then for the script, which is the body of your entire video. So right there I just have to copy and paste the entire video script right here into this box, and basically Vietnamese will use this script to create the entire video for us. So basically that's the only work that you have to put in order to make this software works. I'll show you a couple of ways to get this script right there. Now one way is to go on to Google. Now when you search for, say for example, food that clean arteries, you can just go on to Google and search for different information and look for different articles and different blog posts. And there's just so many free information right there on the internet. Now say for example these blog articles, as you can see here, 18 foods to cleanse your arteries. When you scroll down below, you can find food number 1, food number 2. As you can see here, these are all free information on the internet. And one thing to keep in mind is that don't plagiarize. Don't straight away copy and paste the entire things of other people. It's very good for you to paraphrase and mix and match from different websites. Say for example you get a few information from these blog articles, you go on and search for other information on other website, and you just mix and match and you paraphrase the articles, right? Put it into your own words into those articles. Or otherwise you can just go on to another website, which is Spinbot. You can go to spinbot.com. Basically it's a free article spinner. That means when you copy and paste the original text, the original articles into this box, and when you click on the go button, they're gonna automatically help you to rewrite the content of the articles into a brand new I would say brand new different sentences and paragraph. For example, if you want to get this information, for example this one, you can just click on the copy button, and when you go on to Spinbot, you're gonna paste your text right here into the original column, and then just click on the go button. Now basically that's the first way for you to source out different content ideas and different script for your videos. You can basically use Google and look for different blogs and different articles and mix and match different information and put in your own ideas, or use the Spinbot to do the conversion and rewriting for you. And the second way is to go on to YouTube and look for other videos of your competitors and look at what they are doing, what they say in their video, and you can actually get their ideas as well and get inspiration. Now say for example this video that we are seeing right there, usually they'll paste the script right here at the description of the video. As you can see here, that's the entire script. Or otherwise, if some of the videos they don't put it in their video description, you can just click on these 3 little dots and then click on open transcript. And from there you can load up. As you can see here, that's the entire script of the video. That's the entire dialogue of what this video is all about. So that's another way for you to get ideas on different contents and different script that you can put in into your video. Now once again, once you do your research on Google or YouTube, you're able to put up the entire script of your video. For example, foot number 1 all the way up to foot number 8. So what you're going to do right here is to copy the entire script and just go back to your software and paste the entire script right here into this box. That's everything you're going to do on step number 2. And basically you've done 90% of the work to create the entire video. Now once you're done with the script, we can move on to the next step, moving on to scenes. Now as you can see here, this software will automatically helps you to populate and create different scenes, right? Different presentation clips for your entire video based on the script that you entered just now. Say for example, the first sentence on my script is fish. As you can see here, they're gonna automatically find you a video clip about fish and play at the background. As you can see here on the second sentence, the first food that you should start consuming more is fish. That's basically our script. As you can see here, The first one, that's the first slide, and that's the second slide. They literally break down for every sentences. They're gonna help us to create a video scene for that particular script. That's actually the second scene, and that's the third scene. As you can see here, all we gotta do is just put in a script, and Vietnamese will help us to create all of this video very professional, and people actually love to watch this kind of video, and you're gonna have a lot of watch time, and you can rank on different keywords and getting a lot of recommendation and free traffic from YouTube. Basically, you can go through that and edit whatever things that you don't want. Say for example, if you want to change the background video clip, let's say for example, if you want to change the script of your video, you can do any editing that you want. But basically, Vietnamese make it so easy for you as a complete beginner to create the entire video without showing your face on camera, without showing off your identity. You can be anonymous, and you don't have to record any of your video. You don't have to do any of the video editing. Now, once you're satisfied with all the scenes, you can move on to the next step, which is voice. Now, basically, if you don't want to put in a voice for your video, you can just put in no voice track, just music only, just background music. You can just click on the preview button, and once again, this software will give you copyright-free background music. As you can see here, you can basically select a whole library of different musics to put it as a background for your video. And once again, they are 100% copyright-free. Real quick, I'll just play the video for you right now. Look at this video, such professional, and I believe some of you guys actually watched this kind of video before on YouTube, because basically there are a lot of people using this strategy. They're using this software, but nobody actually teach you how to do it. A lot of them, they just keep it as a secret, and they're making a ton of money on YouTube because number one, they're making AdSense money. When they publish videos on YouTube, they're able to run ads, right? You can see here different ads on YouTube, and they get paid from Google, from AdSense, and that's just one of the bonus income stream that you can receive by just publishing video on YouTube. And the second way for you to get monetization is to put in an affiliate links in your video description, and you're gonna be getting a lot of free traffic, a lot of clicks, because your video might be getting thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, and you can literally promote any offers that you want. Say for example, products on ClickBank, for example, custom keto diet, and you could make it $45 on average per sale. And this is such incredible. As you can see here, for the entire video, it just took me a few minutes to do it without any of the hard work. Now, once you're satisfied with the entire video, you can just click on the download button, and as you can see here, you can just click on this button to generate your video. This is 100% free. You can try it out for 14 days using the link below this video, and you can get instant access to Vietnamese for a 14 days free trial. Now, once you upgrade your software within 14 days, as you can see here, you can get 25% off of discount when you click on upgrade now, and that's going to take you to this page where you can get 25% discount of Vietnamese for a lifetime access. Now, basically every single month you have to pay $35 per month, and usually it's $47. Now, when you use the discount link right there, you can actually get 25% off, which is instead of $47 per month, you can get just $35 a month, and you can literally save $144 per year. Now, basically this is a training video that I want to show you about Vietnamese, because this is such a helpful software which is very automated, but it's still up to you whether or not you want to use it. It's just up to you, but you can just go on for a 14 days free trial to see whether or not you like it or not. And once again, I'll see you on the next training video.